Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's story. We all face difficult times in life, and sometimes we just need a little push to keep going. Today, I want to share with you a heartwarming story about Sam, a taxi driver with a big heart, and Sarah, a young woman struggling with life's challenges. What happens when their paths cross in a simple taxi ride? You'll find out how one small conversation can change everything. This story isn't just about a ride from one place to another, it's about how kindness, hope, and a positive attitude can truly make a difference. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this inspiring tale. Let's begin. The Taxi Driver's Lesson. Once upon a time in a busy city, there was a taxi driver named Sam. Sam was a simple man who worked long hours driving his taxi through the crowded streets. Every day, he picked up people from all walks of life. Some were happy, some were sad, and others were in a hurry. But no matter who got into his taxi, Sam always greeted them with a warm smile and a friendly, "Hello." He believed that kindness could make anyone's day better, even if it was just a short taxi ride. One rainy afternoon, a young woman named Sarah got into Sam's taxi. She looked tired and upset, staring out the window as the rain poured down. Sam noticed her mood and decided to say something to cheer her up. "I know the weather is not great today, but sometimes rain brings a little peace. It makes everything feel fresh, don't you think?" he said with a kind smile. Sarah looked at him, surprised by his positivity. She didn't say much at first, but after a while, she started to talk to Sam. "I've had a tough day," Sarah said, her voice low. "I lost my job today, and I don't know what to do. I've been looking for work for months, but nothing seems to work out. I feel so hopeless." Sam listened carefully, and for a moment, he didn't speak. He just drove slowly through the rain. After a while, he said, "You know, I've had my tough days too. Many years ago, I was struggling just like you. I didn't have much money, and I didn't know where to turn. But one thing I learned is that sometimes the biggest challenges lead us to the best opportunities. The key is to never give up." Sarah looked at him, feeling a little curious. "How did you make it through?" "Well," Sam said with a smile, "when I first started driving a taxi, I didn't think I would be able to do it for long. But I kept going and I treated every passenger with kindness. I learned a lot from the people I met. Some of them gave me good advice, and some of them shared their own stories. I learned that everyone has a story, and everyone is fighting their own battles. That made me feel less alone, and it gave me hope." Sam continued, "You see, when you're kind to others, it can change your whole day. You never know when a small act of kindness might help you find your way. And if you keep trying and stay positive, the right opportunity will come when you least expect it." Sarah thought about his words as they continued driving through the rain. By the time they reached her destination, she felt a little better. She thanked Sam and smiled. "You're right. I've been so focused on my problems that I forgot to look for the good things in my life. I'll keep trying and I'll be kinder to myself. Thank you, Sam." Sam waved goodbye and drove off, happy that he had been able to make a difference in someone's day. He believed that life was not just about working hard for money, but about making connections with people, sharing kindness, and helping others along the way. Every day, he tried to be a little better and to help the people he met, knowing that each person had something valuable to teach him. And every time he helped someone, he felt like he was learning something new about life. As the days went by, Sarah kept Sam's advice in her heart. She didn't find a job right away, but she stayed positive and continued to treat others with kindness. Slowly, things began to change. She got a job interview, and this time, she was ready. She felt confident and calm, remembering that life had its ups and downs, and that kindness and perseverance were the keys to moving forward. A few weeks later, Sarah found a job that she loved. She never forgot the taxi driver who had helped her see the light in the darkest of times. She promised herself that one day she would pass on the lesson she had learned from Sam to someone else in need, just like he had done for her. Once Sarah got into the taxi, she felt exhausted, not just from the long day, but from the weight of her life. It seemed like nothing was going her way lately. She had just been laid off from her job and was struggling to make ends meet. As she sat in the back seat of the taxi, staring out the window, her mind was filled with worries about her future. The city lights flickered as the taxi drove through the streets, but to Sarah, everything felt dim. She wished she could just escape from it all. Sam, the taxi driver, noticed how quiet Sarah was when she entered the car. He had been driving for years, and he could tell when someone was carrying a heavy load. But Sam wasn't the type to pry into people's lives. He simply turned on the radio and started driving, offering a small, friendly smile in the rearview mirror as they navigated the busy streets. After a few minutes of silence, Sam decided to break the ice. "It's been a tough week for many, hasn't it?" he said in a gentle, warm tone. Sarah was surprised by the kindness in his voice. She had been so lost in her thoughts that she didn't even realize she had been quiet for so long. She turned towards Sam and nodded, offering a weak smile in return. "Yeah, it's been hard. I just lost my job and I'm not sure what's next." Sam glanced at her in the rearview mirror. He had heard that story countless times from passengers, but something about Sarah's tone felt different. There was a sadness in her voice that spoke of more than just a job loss. It was as if she had lost hope in herself. He decided to try something different, something he hadn't done with other passengers before. "You know," Sam said thoughtfully, "when I was younger, I felt the same way. I didn't have much going for me. I worked all sorts of jobs, but nothing ever seemed to stick. But there's one thing I learned along the way. Things always change, even when you think they never will. It's like this city, no matter how much the world changes, it still keeps moving forward. And so do you." Sarah looked at him, a little taken aback. "You really believe that?" Sam smiled again. "I do. Life's tough, but it's not the end of the road. It's just another turn. It's how you deal with the hard times that shape you. The hardest times often lead to the best changes." Sarah couldn't help but feel a sense of relief hearing his words. For the first time in days, she felt like someone understood her struggles. She had been so focused on her problems that she hadn't stopped to think about the bigger picture. She had been stuck in a cycle of worry, not allowing herself to see the possibilities ahead. As the taxi made its way through the city, Sam continued talking about his life and how he had learned to embrace challenges. "I've been a taxi driver for 15 years now," he said, his voice steady. "I've met so many people, and I've heard their stories. Some are like mine, struggling, not knowing what comes next. But the one thing I've noticed is that those who keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps, always find a way out." Sarah listened closely, feeling a sense of warmth wash over her. She had always admired people like Sam, people who had a quiet strength and wisdom. She realized that she had been so focused on her job loss that she hadn't thought about what she still had: her health, her family, her ability to learn and grow. Maybe this was the moment to start over, to change her mindset. As they continued driving, Sarah began to open up a little more. "I don't know where to start," she admitted. "It feels like everything's falling apart." "You don't have to have all the answers right away," Sam replied. "Start small. Look at what you can control. If you need a break, take one, but don't stop moving forward. Sometimes the smallest steps lead to the biggest changes." By the time the taxi reached Sarah's destination, she felt different, lighter, more hopeful. As she handed Sam the fare, she said with a sincere smile, "Thank you, Sam. You've given me a lot to think about. I feel a little better." Sam nodded, returning her smile. "It's not me, Sarah. It's you. You already have everything you need to move forward. Just remember, no matter how hard it gets, you're never alone. There's always a way out." Sarah got out of the taxi, feeling like the weight of the world had been lifted from her shoulders. She wasn't sure what the future held, but for the first time in a while, she felt ready to face it. As Sam drove away, he couldn't help but feel a sense of pride. He had made a difference, even if it was in a small way. Sometimes, it's the simplest acts of kindness that change someone's life forever. And Sarah? She walked into her apartment with a renewed sense of purpose. She didn't have all the answers, but she knew one thing for sure. She was not going to give up. She was going to take those small steps Sam had talked about, and she was going to start moving forward. In the weeks that followed, Sarah started to explore new opportunities. She took some online courses to improve her skills and applied for jobs that she had never considered before. With each new day, she felt a little more confident, a little more hopeful. Her journey wasn't easy, but she had learned an important lesson from a simple taxi ride that sometimes a small act of kindness can change everything. And when you believe in yourself, the possibilities are endless. Conclusion. This story reminds us that even in our darkest moments, there is always a glimmer of hope. Sometimes, all it takes is a kind word or a moment of encouragement to help us see the way forward. Sam's simple act of listening and sharing his wisdom made all the difference for Sarah. It shows us that we all have the power to make a positive impact on someone else's life, no matter how small the gesture. So, if you're ever feeling lost or uncertain, remember that you're not alone. And just like Sarah, you can find the strength to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Thank you so much for watching this story. We hope this message inspired you to never give up and to always believe in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more stories like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We're excited to share more inspiring stories in the future, and your encouragement and feedback motivate us to keep going. Stay tuned for the next video, and remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Thank you once again for being part of our journey.